we want to find the inverse function for f of x, which is 3x minus 5. The technique is always the same. We start by saying y is 3x minus 5. We then interchange y and x. So wherever y is, we write x, and wherever x is, we write y. We then rearrange this to make y the subject of the formula. So here I'd get 3y is x plus 5, then divide by 3, y is x plus 5, divided by 3. So the inverse function for x would be x plus 5 over 3. Now consider this example. Approach it in the same way. Y is the square root of 2x minus 1. Interchange x and y. So x is equal to the square root of 2y minus 1. To get rid of the square root, we square both sides. X squared would be 2y minus 1. So 2y would be x squared plus 1, and y would be x squared plus 1, all divided by 2. So we have g minus 1x is x squared plus 1 divided by 2.